You are welcome once again at the Chiben's Designs Bag Making Tutorial. Today is about taking care of your machine. You can see the apprentice is servicing the machine now, trying to fix the machine. So before you do work, or before you start sewing, you must take care of your machine to avoid interruption. You can see them now servicing the machine. After servicing, production continues. So it is advisable that anytime you want to sew, service your machine like this, as these children are doing.